Metadata is relatively simple configuration that we can change to see different thing on our pygeoapi homepage. If we head back to our pygeoapi homepage, you will see the title, provider information, contact point, and all these things. All of these things are replaceable and we can replace it in metadata. For example, if I change the instance title to something like rotten grapes, instance, and now if I refresh my app, you will see that Rotten Grapes Private Limited instance is now the new title. Similar to that, we can change information such as description, the keywords which are available over here. So I can add something like, and now if I go back and refresh my application, you will see that new tag is available. Just like that, we can change the keyword types to theme. We can change the terms of service, URL, license, provider name, contact information. So I will just simply put my information for now, just to show you how exactly this will look like. And now if we refresh the application, you will see that this information is added over here. So this is how we can change things on our home page using metadata. In the next video, we will have a look at resources. Thank you.